What fruit will boost your electrolytes, provide maximum fiber and health benefits when unripened? Are you looking for a natural way to boost your electrolytes, stay hydrated and improve your digestive health? Look no further than unripened fruit. While many people wait for their fruit to ripen before eating it, unripened fruits like bananas, papaya, kiwi, pineapple and mango are packed with nutrients that can benefit your body in ways you never imagined. In this article, we'll explore the top unripened fruits that will provide maximum fiber and health benefits while boosting your electrolyte levels. Get ready to discover a new world of fruit goodness. Unripened bananas. Unripened bananas are an excellent source of electrolytes, fiber and other essential nutrients. While many people wait for their bananas to turn yellow or even brown before eating them, unripened green bananas have a different set of nutritional benefits that can be just as valuable. One advantage of unripened bananas is that they contain more resistant starch than their ripe counterparts. Resistant starch is a type of carbohydrate that resists digestion in the small intestine and instead ferments in the large intestine, feeding beneficial gut bacteria and promoting healthy digestion. Another benefit of unripened bananas is their high potassium content. Potassium is an important electrolyte that helps regulate fluid balance in the body and supports healthy nerve function. In addition to being rich in fiber and antioxidants, unripe bananas are also lower in sugar than ripe ones, making them a great option for those looking to manage their blood sugar levels. Adding unripened bananas to your diet can provide you with numerous health benefits beyond what you may have previously thought about this fruit. Papaya. Papayas are a tropical fruit that is rich in vitamins, minerals and fiber. Unripened papayas contain higher levels of certain nutrients than ripened ones. 1 cup of unripened papaya has almost 150% of the daily recommended amount of vitamin C, which is essential for immune function. Unripened papaya also contains high levels of potassium, an electrolyte that helps regulate fluid balance in the body. This makes it an excellent fruit to consume during hot summer months or after intense workouts. In addition to being nutrient-dense, unripened papaya also contains an enzyme called papain which aids digestion and can help reduce inflammation in the body. It's important to note that some people may be allergic to this enzyme, so if you experience any adverse symptoms after consuming unripened papaya, it's best to avoid it. Unripened papaya has a mild flavor and versatile texture, making it easy to incorporate into various dishes such as salads or smoothies. So why not try adding some unripe papaya slices to your next meal? Your taste buds and body will thank you. Kiwi. Kiwi is a small, brown fruit that packs a punch when it comes to nutrition. It's an excellent source of electrolytes, providing potassium and magnesium for healthy muscle function and hydration. One of the best things about kiwis is their high fiber content. Just one medium-sized kiwi contains about 2 grams of fiber. That's about 8% of your daily recommended intake. Fiber helps keep your digestive system running smoothly and can even help lower cholesterol levels. But the benefits don't stop there. Kiwis are also loaded with antioxidants like vitamin C, which plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy immune system. In fact, just one kiwi contains more than double your daily recommended amount. If you're looking for ways to incorporate more unripened fruit into your diet, consider adding some sliced kiwi to your morning yogurt or oatmeal. Or try blending them up in a smoothie with other nutrient-rich ingredients like spinach or avocado. Including kiwis in your diet can provide numerous health benefits and make snacking on unripened fruit much more enjoyable. Pineapple. Pineapple is a tropical fruit that contains high amounts of electrolytes and fiber when unripened. This spiky fruit not only provides a sweet and tangy flavor but also offers numerous health benefits. One of the most significant health benefits of pineapple is its ability to reduce inflammation in the body due to the presence of bromelain, an enzyme that breaks down proteins. This makes it an excellent choice for individuals suffering from arthritis or other inflammatory conditions. Moreover, pineapples are rich in vitamin C, which helps boost immunity by stimulating white blood cell production. It also acts as an antioxidant, protecting cells against damage caused by free radicals. In addition to these benefits, pineapple has been shown to aid digestion due to its high fiber content. Fiber helps keep your digestive system functioning properly and can help regulate bowel movements. Incorporating this delicious fruit into your diet may provide you with various nutritional advantages. Whether enjoyed on its own or added to smoothies and salads, pineapples offer a unique combination of taste and nutrition. Mango. Mangoes are a tropical fruit that are beloved worldwide for their sweet and juicy flavor. But did you know that they offer numerous health benefits, particularly when eaten unripened? Unripened mangoes contain high levels of vitamin C, which can help keep your immune system strong and healthy. They also contain enzymes that aid in digestion and prevent constipation. In addition to these benefits, unripened mangoes provide a good source of electrolytes like potassium and magnesium, which can help regulate blood pressure and support heart health. This versatile fruit is not only delicious on its own but also makes a great addition to salads or smoothies. So next time you're at the grocery store or local market, don't hesitate to grab some unripened mangoes for an added nutritional boost. Health benefits of unripened fruit. Unripened fruit may not look as appealing compared to its fully ripened counterpart, but did you know that it has health benefits of its own? Here are some reasons why incorporating unripened fruit in your diet can be beneficial. Firstly, unripened fruits contain higher levels of resistant starch, which is known to promote digestive health and assist in weight loss. Resistant starch acts as prebiotic fiber that helps feed the good bacteria in the gut. Secondly, they are a rich source of electrolytes such as potassium, which aids in regulating blood pressure and heart function. Unripened bananas have been shown to provide more potassium than their ripe counterparts. They also contain high amounts of antioxidants like vitamin C and carotenoids that help boost immunity by fighting off free radicals. These nutrients can help improve skin health too. Incorporating unripened fruits into your diet doesn't mean sacrificing taste either. You can blend them into smoothies or incorporate them into salads for added crunch. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't overlook those slightly green bananas or papayas. They may just provide an extra nutritional punch. Conclusion. Unripened fruit is an excellent source of electrolytes, fiber and a variety of health benefits. Bananas, papayas, kiwis, pineapples and mangoes are some of the best fruits to consume when they are not fully ripe. They may not be as sweet or juicy as their ripened counterparts, but they offer unique flavors that can bring excitement to your taste buds. Unripe fruits have high levels of potassium and magnesium, which help replenish lost electrolytes during exercise or hot weather. Moreover, these fruits contain high amounts of dietary fiber, which supports healthy digestion and reduces the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes, heart disease and cancer. So next time you go grocery shopping or visit a local farmer's market, don't forget to look for unripened bananas, papayas, kiwis, pineapples or mangoes that will provide maximum nutrition while satisfying your cravings in a healthy way.